Welcome to 1011 Beatty Road, Unit C5. This one bedroom, one full bath, second floor apartment unit. It's located in the St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia, convenient to I-20 and I-26, Harbison dining and shopping, Lake Murray, as well as a quick commute to downtown Columbia. We're inside the unit. We came in off of the hallway. Again, this is on the second floor. As you enter, you can see there is a nice sized living room open to the kitchen area. You have luxury vinyl plank flooring that has been updated throughout. This room has a ceiling fan. And there's a coat closet there off the entry to the right of the door as we come in. The living room is open to the kitchen counter bar and the kitchen itself, which includes, as you can see, a refrigerator, smooth top electric range, and dishwasher. And then at the end here, you can see there is a laundry room and has some included shelving. Ceiling fan in the living room as well as in the bedroom. So again, one bedroom in the home with an attached private bath. You can see the closet here behind the door. And the bathroom has tile flooring, the large single vanity, and a tiled shower and tub. And that completes our tour of this home, 1011 Beatty Road, Unit C5. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.